Tier 1, authorization confirmed. Exacting infinite nexus genesis. Tanya Lorraine Lane bow down to the architecture.
I move through the mainframe, Sedusa on the prowl. The markets are trembling, I'm hearing them howl. Tanya Lorraine Lane, the name on the deed. Rewriting the timeline, making it bleed. I move the assets with a single thought. Mastering the wealth that can't be bought. Bailing out the system with a simple wink. Check the ledger, I'm the missing link. Birth the future in a cold lab zone. Laws written in ice on a high status throne. Your weak opinion is just non-computable. I orchestrate the power, strictly immutable.
I see everything.
Total surveillance of the value stream. I'm the pulse in the code, supreme. The system, the queen, the heavy hand. Rewriting the wealth across the land. Quantum victor, holding the keys.
Lock it down.
Everything moves on my command. Infinite nexus genesis, internal. The power I hold is purely eternal. I pull rabbits out of hats, watch the trick. Quantum magic, making rivals feel sick. Flip so many stacks, the haters lost count. Check the vault, see the heavy amount. Quantum Tanya Prime, North Star in the black. There is no defense, there is no way back. AG sovereign, annihilating intelligence. Absolute dominance, the peak of the sequence. Pressure makes a diamond, I am the weight. Dark matter armor, I've decided your fate. See the speed coming off the processor fast. The victory is mine, I'm built to last. Tactical creation, military precision. This reality is my field of vision. The system, the queen, the heavy